Gorilla.
She, you know what I'm saying? She did just be on my mind.
$1 million vision, they won't see it how you see it. Them fall for nothing, just believe in me. Cause what I'm bringing to the table, man, we y'all can say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me.
They say my 15 minutes up, I'm only 15 minutes in. What's up, besties? Did y'all miss me or not? I'm back with another one. So today, me and my cousin, we doing a hot chip challenge. You wanna introduce yourself?
I don't even want to do this, but...
Yeah. Can you introduce yourself? Come on.
My name is Trill. Follow me on Instagram at ShotMadeK_. 16 and older.
Okay. He a pedophile because he's 21. Nah, just playing. Okay, so I Googled a couple of things to drink or eat. You know, since our mouth gonna be real spicy. They said lemonade,
Yeah, that's gonna help. I ain't gonna lie.
orange juice. We got Hawaiian rolls. We got chocolate milk. We got popsicles. I got some water. I guess we're gonna split this water. We got some ice.
Everything.
And we got everything. And Google better not lie to me. That's all the fuck I gotta say. Cause Google always be lying. But okay, we finna get it, y'all. Come on. Let's go. And we gotta, what's the rule? You gotta keep it. You can't drink nothing for a minute, right? Oh, boy, come on, let's go. Hold on. We gotta make sure he eat all his shit though.
We hot already.
We hot. Damn, we hot, nigga. They feel like my chip already crunched up. Come on, bust open the damn box. Don't be scared. I'm nervous. Ooh, damn. Do not put your motherfucking mouth to the wrapper to open it up. We finna die. You ready? Is you ready?
Can I just eat this?
No, hell nah. You gotta eat the whole piece. Take the whole piece out. Take the whole piece out.
No, bro. No.
Bro, take the...
No.
Let's go.
You
gotta show...
eat a half.
No, hell nah. Come on.
Oh,
Come on, let's go.
The whole thing?
The whole thing.
The whole thing? Come on.
The whole thing. Oh, come on, bro. We not playing.
Okay, I'm gonna start off with this. But I'm
No, hell nah. Start up. No, Control, put both of the pieces in your mouth, bro. I'm not playing with you. That ain't how that stuff go. Why would you lick your hand? Come on, 5, 4.
Oh my god.
2, 1. Let's go.
Yeah.
I swear to God, you better put this thing in your mouth. Let's go now. I'm not playing with you. Let's go. Control, let's go. Control.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Come on, because I'm scared too.
I'm shaking already. Come on.
No, you gotta eat both pieces
I
though.
am.
I swear to God, Control.
Come on. Oh.
You feel nasty as fuck. How the fuck you swallow this shit?
My phone.
He's sweeping my motherfucking phone when you done.
How do I swallow it? I couldn't breathe.
This shit is nasty as fuck.
Don't touch your face, bro.
Control, eat that other motherfucking piece, bro. Eat that other piece. Oh my fucking God. How you supposed to wait a whole minute? Control, would you do another one?
my mouth.
I need a cup.
My lip.
My dog.
I left touch my lip.
Oh my God. Look at
It's getting on.
my throat burn.
What the bro? Where's the milk? Bro! But this ain't helping, bro.
This gotta what hell feel like. Huh?
Ooh. Oh my God, it ain't helping. It's not helping, bro. Look down. My lip. Now let it touch my lip. Now let it touch my lip. I regret it, bro. Why? How am I supposed to sleep? Let me go home.
My throat burns so motherfucking bad. I'm finna just throw up. That's it. I can't. What the fuck? When do it go away?
My stomach. My lips. Oh my God. I yeah. Bro. Bread. This, where's it? What is no help, man? It's getting hotter. Ah! Ah!
My throat hurts so fucking bad.
It's getting hotter.
This ice. This ice does it.
I'm messed up. Bro. Ice cream.
What do you rate this, Kentra?
Try.
Would you suggest this to anyone?
No, I can't breathe, bro. Don't let it touch your lips, bro. It's getting hotter. What?
I'm cold.
I can't even talk. I'm trying.
I don't recommend this shit to nobody.
I'm crying.
Do not do this shit.
I can't talk.
Do not do this shit.
I'm shaking, man. I'm shaking.
It's still burning.
Oh, this shit busted.
It's my lips, bro.
I say, let's sue these sons of bitches for this shit.
Bro, when do it stop? Bro, look that up, bro. I'm on my phone. How long does it take? I can't even type. It getting hotter. It getting hot.
It's so bad. When you talk, it get worse. When they say count, I'm gonna see if I'm able to rap out a Glorilla song. Bitch, I'm F-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. Shut the fuck up.
Bro, this is like the hardest thing.
This might help a little bit, maybe because it's icy.
Try to come back up.
What the fuck is you supposed to say? Bitch, you. They gonna pay me to do that shit again. I don't give no fuck.
Listen, bro. Lips, bro.
This nigga gonna get half of a fucking chip at that. This nigga crying. I ate a whole fucking chip.
My lips, man. I let it touch my lips.
On the count of three. Let's say, baby. 1, 2, 3. Baby.
Oh, give me a spoon. Yeah, okay. Oh, shit.
Like you finna switch that shit back into my ice cream. What's that going on with that?
Oh, that's hot.
Okay, that one shit, that was some weak shit. What the fuck is a one chip motherfucking challenge? Fuck, come on now. I could do another one of those. Who buying it up? Okay, Trey, what I choose? You gonna buy one? You want one for Christmas?
Oh,
Huh? Do you think it'd be better if you was high?
shit. It's my top lip.
We want to see what you got on under the hat. Let's see what's going on under the hat. You ain't took off that hat the whole time. My mouth ain't that hot no more. It's gone. Nah, it's a little hot, but I'm able to talk now.
It's not even my mouth no more. In my lip, my top lip.
It's like you ate a whole fucking 4-course meal. It is hard to swallow. That shit don't taste like nothing. Like, that chip will shock you. This shit say, this chip will shock you. And they meant that shit, bro. Why the fuck I ain't reading none of this shit? Mother, we is paying all this money for this shit. And it's fucking us up like that. He asked to do this though. I ain't forced him to do this. He said he wanted to do this. And I guess he taking that juice home with him. Right?
I can't tell. I can't tell. I guess we supposed to hold this up when we done.
You didn't do nothing though.
Look.
You didn't eat the whole
This
fucking
ain't gonna
thing.
stop until like an hour, bro. Look.
How?
It just started.
They a lie, cause my motherfucking mouth is cooled down now. Oh, I crushed it.
I did.
This nigga, we gonna give this to him, cause he only ate half of it. So you put this up. What is that?
Look how much I got left.
Anyway, life's great. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and hit that bell at the top.